Calamba.
Calamba.
Laguna.
Calamba, Laguna.
What are those? What is this? What room is this?
Table.
Where's Jose Rizal?
I see him. Minumulto na tayo niya. Sabihin mo hi.
Oh.
Guys, we are back in the Rizal Shrine and
Where are, which part? Which part in the house? Which part is this? Which part is this?
family dining.
Of Rizal's house. Okay.
Hello guys, we are in Mabini Shrine.
I'll go.
Kasama ko yung kaibigan ko, si Macriaso.
I'll go. Look, look. What are you seeing? I'll go.
Self-explore po tayo ha. Self-explore po. You can picture lang po ng mga.
Where are you? What is that?
Wow!
What is that? Huh?
What's this?
I don't know. Go there. Walk there, walk there. Video.
Apolinario Mabini's
Bed. Dea. Dea, come here. Come here. This is video. 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 Video, video.
One, start in the beer room. We're here.
Oh, go, go, go.
Where are we, Mom?
In the museum.
What?
In a museum.
What?
In a museum, Apolinario Museum. Up. Oh my goodness. Wait, Dea, wait. Dea. Dea. Daisy, where are you? Where are you? Video.
Hi guys, today we are at J Castle! J Castle time!
Up, don't jump.
J Castle time!
It's Baha, it's Baha.
Yeah, it's the
Sky, no!
We are in the first!
Castle.
The first! I don't know, the first!
Castle.
The first castle! Okay, now we're going to go there to the second.
Be careful not to wet your clothes.
Coming!
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
We're going
Let's go.
to the second district.
There you are, you're having fun. We are.
The second district. It's the Hall of Lights, guys. Just look at it. So much lights. As you can see, there is
Dea, are you scared? Daichi, where are you na? Daichi, where are you?
Lights in the UFO.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the
No, go in the middle. Go in the middle. Go in the middle. Dea, go with Daichi. Go na. Go, Daichi.
Hey guys, we are in the 4th district of J Castle. Come here. J Castle is called the Cosmic Projector. Come here.
Go, Dea. Go to Daichi. Dea, go to Daichi. Try to ano. Dea, go to Daichi. Nakakahilo naman. Dea, no. Where are you?
Hi guys, we are in the 5th district called Bubblecom.
Bubble what?
City.
Dea, it's your turn.
District.
6.
Yeah.
Which is the? I think the forest.
Digital forest. Come here.
Dea.
Rainbow tree. Go there.
Which one?
We are in Jay's
Okay, dito po tayo sa left side.
And we might watch the movie Jed's Journey to the Moon. We are in the Astroboat section. Castle 2.
What can you see here?
You can see a lot of things.
Dea,
Oh, there's a big ball.
are you scared of the balls? No. Dea, where are you? Dea, where are you? Dea, wait for me. Dea. 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 This one is open for 3 p.m. pa daw open tong mga rides.
Okay.
Wow! Do you like to go there? Roller coaster?
I don't like to go to the water.
Ngeh! Hindi ka naman pwede dun eh.
Okay. We're on
The J Castle.
the Castle. And
We're going to
we're going to
Castle 3.
Castle 3.
Are you enjoying?
Papa,
Here.
I'm darling.
You enjoying? Are you tired na?
No, I'm not.
You're not. Go, go, Dea, go, Dea. 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 Boy, Dea, come here. Go, Dea. You can do it, Dea. Woo! Go there, go there, go there. Daichi! Oo. Ay, pabaligtad.
Thank you for riding with your best, and we hope you have a wonderful day at Jay Castle.
What day, It's bawal nga po eh. Bawal tayo dyan. Next time na lang, we're gonna go back na lang, okay? We're gonna go back. We're gonna go back. Why, die girl? Why day? Ito lang mo, walang mga naka-uniform doon. Mga private lang yan lahat. Wala nagpi-field trip dyan. I promise we're gonna go back here, okay? And we're gonna go to the pool. Look at the pool. Wow! Very nice swimming pool. We're gonna go to the pool and we're gonna go to the bouncy castle. Weekend is not nga pwede. It's not pwede nga. Ay. Oh, where's Kuya Daichi na? Nawala na si Kuya Daichi. No. Look at the castle, look at the castle. Oh, si ano, frozen din, oh. Look at the castle. Look at the castle lang, walang fireworks, oh. Watch ka na.